Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing Halloween kitchen island styling ideas, easy and affordable Halloween decor ideas that make your kitchen feel spooky, cozy, and high-end without spending a fortune. If you love creating a festive look that feels elevated but simple, you're going to love these Halloween island setups. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump right into some easy and affordable Halloween decor inspiration for your kitchen island. For the first look, I'm starting with this beautiful wooden tray from HomeSense. It's always a great piece for island styling because it helps everything feel anchored and intentional. Inside the tray, I'm adding a jug vase, also from HomeSense, and pairing it with this thrifted glass pumpkin jar. I love mixing new and thrifted pieces, it adds character and a collected look. To bring a subtle spooky vibe, I'm adding these paper mache pumpkins that were also thrifted but originally came from HomeSense. Then to add a touch of Halloween whimsy, I'm tucking in some spooky twigs from Michaels that I've had for years. These add height and texture, which keeps the styling interesting. At the base, I'm layering a decorative book box from Dollar Tree for a little riser moment, and on top sits this yoga pose skeleton perched on a pumpkin from Dollarama. It's the perfect mix of playful and stylish. And here's the finished look, simple, spooky, and stylish, a perfect balance for your kitchen island without feeling cluttered or overdone. For the second look, I'm starting with the table runner that I folded and scrunched to create a soft, casual base. You can also use one of those spooky mesh tablecloths from Dollar Store for a similar effect. Then I'm bringing in my woven vase from Temu, full in my recent DIY fall stems for a little pop of color and texture. To give this look some personality, I'm adding a skeleton head from Dollarama and this spider dish from Dollar Tree that I gave a little makeover to. I'm actually using it here as a candle holder, which is a great styling tip if you want to repurpose the small decor pieces creatively. Finally, I'm placing an amber candle holder to tie it all together. I love using amber glass in fall. It adds warmth and that perfect moody glow for Halloween. This look is easy, affordable, and great if you prefer just a hint of Halloween decor in your kitchen. If you're enjoying these Halloween kitchen island styling ideas, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments which setup has been your favorite so far. It really helps support my channel and lets me know what styles you'd like to see more of. For look number 3, I'm bringing in the scalloped round tray from HomeSense, along with an amber glass vase, also from HomeSense. I'm filling it with these beautiful stems from Dollar Tree that I picked up last year, one of those rare finds you have to grab when you see them because they'll never restock the same ones. I wanted to pair that with a ceramic ghost from HomeSense, but realized the amber vase and the ghost didn't quite fit together in the tray. So I swapped the vase for a smaller ghost from Dollar Tree and added a spooky light up tree from Dollarama. It turned into the perfect little vignette, simple but very Halloween inspired. For the next look, I'm still using that scallop tray, bringing back the amber vase with stems, and this time adding an LED candle, and on top of it, I am adding the pottery bag barn jack-o'-lantern dupe that I DIY'd on my DIY channel. I'll link that video below if you want to make one yourself. I wanted to bring the spooky tree back, but the lights stopped working, and honestly, sometimes less is more. Ended up leaving the setup with just a glowing lantern and the tree without the lights, and it looks cozy and minimal. For the final look, I'm switching to wicker tray for a more natural textured base. Inside it, I'm adding the large and small ghosts, keeping with the neutral spooky theme. I'm also using the book box as a riser, again to give some height and balance, and topping it with the jack-o'-lantern to bring that classic Halloween touch. This one might be my favorite. It's spooky, simple, and so easy to recreate with affordable pieces you might already have. And that wraps up my Halloween kitchen island styling ideas for 2025. These were all super simple, easy, and affordable Halloween decor looks that you can recreate on your own kitchen island for the stylish, spooky touch. Let me know down below which look was your favorite and which one do you think I'll keep up for Halloween. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy and affordable home styling and decorating ideas, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss my next seasonal video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.